Water doesn't expire, right? But why does a bottled water have an expiry date? What if I told you the water you drink every day could be harming your body, your skin, and your hair? Things change. Most bottles are made from PET plastics. When PET plastic bottles left in the heat or sun, like in delivery trucks or open cells, they leach chemicals into the water. This includes BPA, antimony, microplastics. These BPA can cause or disrupts our hormones. Antimony can affect lungs and stomach. Microplastics, some kind of tiny particles that enter into our body. In India, bottles are often transported in open trucks during hot days. That's dangerous, right? But still we consume it blindly. WHO found microplastics in 90% of bottled water worldwide, but still we using plastic bottles as a primary source to drink water when we go outside. That's dangerous, right? In India, the cost of 1 liter water bottle is around 20 rupees. But when you try to buy it from wholesale market, it's cost about 5.9 rupees. And when it comes to a branded bottle, it may be about 7 to 8 rupees. It's all about you're paying for the plastic, branding, and delivery. And the actual cost of water is all about 10 to 20 paisa to make it, as it's free in India. So think before you buy water bottles. Is RO water good or bad? RO or reverse osmosis is super common. It removes dirt, viruses, and heavy metals, but it also removes good minerals such as calcium, magnesium, and potassium. Long term drinking of water with low minerals can cause weakness, muscle cramps, hair problems. So, the ideal range of drinking water is all about 150 to 300 ppm of TDS level. If your RO TDS is below 50, and then you should make sure add mineral cartridge, or you are drinking empty water. Boiled water, safe or not? Boiling is a great for killing germs and viruses, but boiling does not remove heavy metals, pesticides, and fluorides or chlorides. And when water evaporates, the chemicals stays behind and becomes more concentrated. Only boil water if your source is natural or well filtered. Is hair fall caused by water? Yes, hard water is a big reason for hair fall. Hard water contains high calcium and magnesium. They block shampoo from working and make hair weak. Results: dry scalp, breakage, and hair fall. So, in order to fix it, you need to use shower filters to decrease the hardness of water. Rinse hair with boiled or filtered water. Avoid direct hard water daily. Just imagine you're on a long train ride. It's 40 degrees outside. You're thirsty. You grab a chilled water bottle from a street vendor and drink it. But do you know you may have just consumed chemicals or worse, fake water, and sometimes even you pay more than the actual price of original one. So I always suggest anyone who drinks water outside should carry copper or steel water bottle, which you should fill with RO water or even tap water, which comes under clean management or clean area. Your health is most important than anything on the earth, so always be informed. Tap water may contain chlorine, kills bacteria but damages gut bacteria, and it also causes dry skin and dry eyes. Fluoride, good for teeth, but too much can harm thyroid problems and weakness, bone strength. pH level. Ideal pH level for good drinking water is all about 6.5 to 8.5. Too low equals to acidic, too high equals to alkaline. Alkaline tastes weird. TDS. TDS is like total dissolved solids. So TDS level from 150 to 300 is perfect for drinking water. If TDS is less than 50, it means it's too pure and it doesn't contain any good minerals. So we have to add any mineral cartridge in order to boost minerals in it. If not, you're drinking like a empty water. And if any TDS of water has more than 500, that means the water is polluted and not good for drinking. Your body is 70% water. Every cell, every organ needs clean water, but not all water is equal. Test your water, filter it right, store it right, avoid plastic when possible. Stop wasting money on plastic bottles in sun. Use filtered tap water in glass or steel bottles. It's safer, smarter, and costs almost nothing. Clean water is your medicine. So drink smart, live smart, and always be informed. If this video helped you think differently about water, give it a like. Follow 01 Byte for more exclusive content. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon so you don't miss out.